In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into YouTube. Signing in is important because it lets you subscribe to channels, like videos, leave comments, and see personalized recommendations. You'll also need to be signed in to create your own channel or upload content. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own device. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. You can do this by typing youtube.com into the address bar at the top of your browser window, then pressing enter. Wait a moment for the YouTube homepage to load. You should see the familiar YouTube logo in the top left, along with a search bar and various video thumbnails on the page. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. Here you should see a button that says Sign In. This is usually a blue button, but the exact appearance can change slightly over time. Go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the Google sign-in page because YouTube is part of Google and uses Google accounts. On the sign-in page, you'll see a list of accounts if you've signed in before on this device. Take a moment to find the account you want to use for YouTube. Click on the email address or profile that matches the Google account you want to sign in with. If you don't see your account listed, you can choose the option to use another account and then type in your email address. But for now, we'll focus on simply clicking the account you want to use. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Click in the password box and carefully type your Google account password. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after it, and check that your caps lock key isn't accidentally turned on, as passwords are case sensitive. If you're on a shared or public computer, avoid saving your password in the browser for security reasons. Once you've entered your password, click the Next button. This will confirm your details and attempt to log you in. If everything is correct, you'll be redirected back to YouTube automatically. You'll know you're logged in when you see your account icon, usually a small circle with your initial or profile picture, in the top right corner instead of the sign-in button. From here, you're fully signed in and ready to use all of YouTube's features with your account.